Be authentic, be yourself, and let the person get to know the real you. Authenticity is attractive and creates a foundation for a genuine bond. Give each other space. Allow both yourself and the other person space to pursue personal interests and activities. Healthy relationships thrive when both individuals maintain a sense of independence. Create positive memories, spend quality time together, and engage in enjoyable experiences that create lasting memories. Communication. Maintain open and honest communication. Share your feelings, thoughts, and concerns with each other. Respect boundaries. Respect each other's boundaries and avoid pressuring the person into doing something they're not comfortable with. Be supportive. Show genuine support and encouragement for the person's goals and aspirations.